Bring this in. Let's go. This group right here. First snap to the last. Let's go. Line up 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, all night. Here we go, boys. Here we go, boys. All day up there. All day up there. Now, come on. Let's go, baby. Ready, Joshua. Let's go. One at a time, baby. Let's go. Hey, to the own beat our drum. Just move to the beat our drum. One play at a time, do your job. You don't have to do anything else. If we do that over and over again, we're going to have success. Let's roll these. Hey, leave no down on this field. We own this. Let's represent, dogs. Come on.
Here is Zeke Elliott for the first time. Prescott is under center in an eye right, and he'll give it to Zeke. Makes a move around the block.
Damn, Zeke.
It's 3rd and 9 at the 21. Snap to Prescott. Good block from Smith. Throws it right. Caught. Lamb. It's good. Oh, he broke a tackle. Runs to the 10. Runs to the goal line. He's in for the touchdown. Oh, he stole one. He had no business scoring that touchdown, except he's C.D. Lamb.
Hey, way to run right there. That's one. Good baby.
I turned around to look. I said, damn. Turn around again. Cuz was doing this. I said, damn. You too cold with it.
35, Ryan in the gun. And he is going to give it to Taylor up the middle, and no thank you.
Yes, sir, D-Law.
Here comes 2nd down. And 9, and Ryan back. Pats his feet, throws it in the left side of the end zone. All alone, Ashton Doolin.
Let's go, man. Whatever you got to do, back there.
Prescott's going to be in the gun on this 3rd down at the Indy 30. Snap is back, throws it in the left flat for Lamb. Circles away, breaks a tackle. 20, 15.
Yes, sir.
Trips go to the left. Prescott in the gun, 2nd down. Handoff. Pollard walks the dog.
Boys up. Hey, keep hands up. No more, baby. Oh, my God.
Hey. They're starting to lay down now.
Oh, they about to lay down.
They starting to lay down now. They feeling that.
That too easy at the beginning. 4, 5.
That's how that don't be though. That don't start slow. 2, 3, 1. Keep doing that. He gonna start popping.
Ryan's right. He's in the gun. Looking to his left. Pumps. Down he goes.
Hopefully we get this ball back, man. We get this ball back, bro. We gotta get points.
Snap is back. Throws it left. High again, and a diving interception at the 50. Hooker against his old team down the right side. Hooker down the sideline.
We need some points. We need some points. You were faster running to get the tip.
Out the ball, coach.
Yeah, listen. But out the ball. He was getting there. Listen. I caught that. All that went away. All the momentum went away.
Cowboys by 1. Lamb in motion across the formation to the left. Prescott back, flushed out. Rolls right, throws on the run to Gallup at the 5. Touchdown to Michael Gallup.
I needed that one. I had to have that one.
Hey, you said it. They don't belong in this field now. They don't belong in this field. Run their ass off. Run their ass off. Every play.
At their own 29 with a 2-point lead, late 3rd quarter. Prescott tosses it right to Pollard. Block on the edge, 40. Right sideline, 50 and out of bounds. Snap is back. Good block on the right side from the right tackle. Down to Lamb, 15. Looks for a block, 10. And he's got a 1st and goal.
That's a grown-ass man. It's a grown-ass man.
1st and goal. Prescott in the gun. Right side fade. Gallup up in the air. Touchdown.
Big drive, man. We gotta go. It's a big drive right here. We gotta go, baby. I be trying, bro. I be trying to score. I'll get home. But let's go, though, get you back down.
Yeah, man. That's what I'm saying.
Dallas needs another takeaway. Ryan will play fake, and under pressure, he screens it right to the tight end.
Fumble.
And it's fumbled by the tight end. It's picked up by Hooker. Hooker again. Flag. Touchdown. Can you believe that?
Hey, we need to work on your ball security.
Dak waving his arms up and down, asking for noise.
3rd and 6, snap to Ryan. Back and looking, standing and throwing deep to the right, and that ball's intercepted. 9:54 left. First down, pitch off. Left to Pollard. Wending his way through people. 20, 15, 10, 5. Pollard. Looking, standing, looking, throwing it out. That ball's nearly intercepted by Bland again. I think he got it.
That boy knows something. That boy knows something. Hey, that boy knows something. 2-6.
Second down, snap to Prescott. Read option, handoff Elliott, pushing, goal line, touchdown Elliott. Prescott's now going to get down and crank the kettle, imaginary handle like a jack in the box.
I told you, Zach. I told you. I told you. 220 on the ground. I told you. I told you. Baby. Today for the hogs, baby.
We don't ever get tired because the two of us. Them get tired.
Snap to rush. Hand off Davis up the middle. First down. Coming left. 10, 5. Malik Davis.
Got it. Way to play, bro. Me too, brother. Hey, gotta stay healthy. Appreciate it. Yeah, play the right. It's time. Yeah, thank you. Got it, brother.
Yes, sir. Prime time, baby. Let's go. Let's go.